I'm Russell Elliott, and this is the Resume Parser. So the program in question should have three main functionalities. A user should be able to upload one or more resumes. Resumes should be parsed for specific information, and users should be able to use a dashboard to search for keywords like JavaScript and receive resumes that prioritize JavaScript experience. The company scenario from Google introduced the idea of a resume parser, which orders resumes based on keywords and experience to match. So I implemented a web application using Flask, a micro web framework written in Python. Users are first introduced to the upload page, where they can upload resumes as text files. From there, they can go to the search page and enter one or more keywords separated by commas. I use the AutoIndex plugin to display files from the Uploads directory on the Files page, where the uploaded files are displayed. The displayed files are filtered by the list of keywords the user specified on the search page. The Files page also provides links to the local copy of the file as well as a link to download the file. And here's a demonstration. Alright. Here's the README, just, information. Alright, but here's app.py. This is, the Python code that runs the program. You got this code that sets up the upload folder, and then this part, all this does is it only allows text files. So, this is the set of files that are allowed. You got text, and this function tests if the file has extension txt. Alright, and then, you got functions to upload, to render the upload page, and then this function is for uploading the file from the input field, and then here's rendering the search, and then you got this code with okay, so this one is for displaying the file size, and then this one is for if the upload folder doesn't exist, it makes one, otherwise it doesn't do anything. And you got this function for filtering the code so you go through the resume, check if all the keywords are there, and here's for getting all the files that satisfy the requirements. And then this is for the search page. You enter the form in the text field, and then you render the files. And then this is for the download page. And then the main code, which runs the app. And then there's the upload page. You upload files there. Search, you just enter keywords to search, and file displays the files that have the keyword from the search page. Alright? So all we have to do, we just have to run this Python script, press the play button in your IDE, and then we got to go to this URL. Let's do that. Alright, let's go to Google fast. There we go. I'm gonna make this bigger so you can see it. If I can make it bigger. There we go. Alright, let's go to the URL. Alright, so now we're brought to a page where you can upload files. Alright, let's choose a file. Alright. Sample resumes. Let's do johndoe.txt. Alright, let's open this up. There we go. And we'll submit. File successfully uploaded. Now let's check out the uploads folder. We see that John Doe is in there. Alright. Now let's upload multiple files. So we uploaded John Doe. Let's see. Alright. Files uploaded. Alright, and as we can see, Bob and Calvin are in the uploads folder. And then I also have Monty Python, so I'm just going to upload that too. Here we go, Monty Python. Not the movie, it's just, you'll see in a minute. Alright. Submit. Now let's check out the uploads folder again. We see Monty Python's in there. Another way of checking the uploads, here's the search page. So if we don't want to enter any keywords, just press submit. We see that all the resumes are displayed. So here we got a link to the local file path, link to download, and date modified and file size. I know there's a way for Flask to render a file as a text file, on the screen, but I fortunately hadn't quite figured that out yet. But this is a solution. So we're going to, copy this, link it to our URL or search bar or whatever. And here we go. Here's the Bob JavaScript resume. We see, he knows JavaScript, knows a few JavaScript frameworks, president of the fitness clubs, interested in fitness and e-commerce, stuff like that. Okay. So we uploaded the resumes. Now let's filter them. Okay. Let's search for JavaScript. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So notice the Monty Python resume isn't there. That's because, all right, let's go back and check the Monty Python file. Let me just open that up real fast. So Monty Python, you see that Monty Python has no JavaScript experience. Doesn't have any JavaScript frameworks, not interested in JavaScript, and you're filtering by JavaScript. So, so only resumes with relevant JavaScript experience are included. The program, it just checks if the word JavaScript is in the resume. All right. I already have Bob's open. Let's see. JavaScript, Node.js, president of fitness club, e-commerce, stuff like that. All right. Oops, didn't mean to do that. I'll go here. So how about, JavaScript? Let's see. How about, augmented virtual reality. Let's just type augmented for now. I think this has augmented reality. Yeah. All right. I think I put augmented reality in too many of these resumes. All right. Probably not good. All right. Let's instead go for chess. All right. Let's check out Calvin Solomon Stanley. Yeah, looks like the search feature's acting a bit funny. Sorry about that, because Calvin's resume doesn't have any mention of chess from what I can tell. It's odd. Anyway, it works in some regards. Like if I were to type Python, let's type in Flask. Let me just see Python, see Flask, there we go. Alright, we'll check out example resume 1. This should have Flask in it. Yeah, as we can see, Flask is here. Alright. And then Alright, so we've gone through uploading a file, searching a file, and parsing through the files. Let's go for, let's see what that gives us. I guess I'm not sure. Alright, let's go back to Flask. Okay. So, we can look through all the resumes. Let's see. Oh, let's say Monty Python is the candidate we want. Okay. Let's click this link. Would you like to download this file? Yes, we do. We want to download this file. Yeah, we'll just download it here, put it in the sample folder. There we go. And here's the text file. See, here's the Monty Python file. Cool. All right. So, we showed uploading files, searching for the keywords, and displaying the resumes that satisfy the requirements. All right, that's all. Thank you.